Hi guys! Today we're making chicken enchiladas. So you ready to do this? Let's do it! So Devin's gonna come over here and I have taken vegetable oil and I put it in this little pan here and I've gotten it really hot, so I'm gonna fry these little suckers. And then what I did is I took up a bunch of paper towels and cut them into squares like that. So we're just gonna fry them a little bit. Not crispy. Start soften them up a little bit. So give me a second here. So we're just kind of doing an assembly line. Get it out there. Need to be an octopus. Okay. How's everybody doing today? So enchiladas is kind of like a all-time favorite. You can do a lot with it. Tonight we're doing chicken enchiladas. Do you see how I'm frying it? Just not too long, and just keep doing the paper towels because you want to be able to get the grease off it. So just flip it. You're going to want to get yourself a good pair of tongs. This stuff is hot. Alright, put that there. Yeah, we're just going to keep frying. So I just use plain old vegetable oil. Cheap vegetable oil. Fry. There we go. Sorry, this takes a little bit. Let's just fry these little guys up. So is everybody getting sick of this COVID virus? Jesus Louises. I think we're all wanting life to be normal, and anybody know if life is ever going to be normal? Hopefully. Okay, let's fry these up. There, put this other.
Stop licking your fingers and touching the shit.
I have to lick my fingers.
No, you don't.
Alright, I've been told not to lick my fingers, but I'm sorry, I have to lick my fingers to be able to do
You're
this.
licking it and touching
I'm sorry, I have to. I can't get the...
Well, Mom. It's you like spitting on people's food.
You're my spit.
I am your spit. Good thing these are only for me.
Honest to goodness, I don't know why I fry these. I have been making enchiladas for, I don't know, 40 years, and somewhere back then in my head, in my brain, I learned that you were supposed to fry them. But I guess it is because you fry them and it makes a big difference, that's why.
You have been to Mexico before.
What? I've never watched them make enchiladas in Mexico. I learned this somewhere, I don't know where. Jeez. It's also fun if you want to make tacos and fry up the, what do you call these things? The, oh for Christ's sakes,
Tortillas. Alright, how many more do we need to do?
I don't know. What do we got here?
You guys licking your
I haven't
fingers
been
again.
counting. Okay. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. I can't see. 4. Let's do like 4 more. There we go. That's where I want to go, to Mexico. I want to go lay on the beach. Doesn't that sound delightful? Yep, not today. Okay, I think this will be it for now. We can always come back and fry more later. Okay, there's that. And lick your fingers because you can't get the paper towel up. There we go. so now we've got a whole bunch of tortillas. We're gonna come over here. And I have a bowl of chicken that I put in the crock pot. Oh, here's the deal. So put your chicken in the crock pot, put it on low, let it go for like 8 hours. Put a bunch of bouillon in it, chicken bouillon. So save the chicken bouillon so you can use it for other things. And then right after the chicken is done, get it out and take a fork and mash it up. So easy to just make shredded chicken like that. So I've got a bowl of that, and I'm adding to it. This is gonna seem really weird, but it's good. So this is chopped frozen spinach that I thawed out, and then I squeezed out. And then it all clumps together, so you have to like shred it too. So we're gonna do chicken and spinach. I'm gonna get some Popeye protein energy in here. Okay, I think that's enough spinach. You don't want it too spinachy, but spinachy. Okay, we just have to stir this up. Over crayon. Okay. You see what I'm doing here? So to it, I think it needs more spinach. More spinach. Alright. So we'll just put the rest of the spinach in there. Okay, there we go. So we're putting that in there. And then I have some chopped green onion. I'm gonna put that in there, and some chopped tomato. Squeeze that out a little bit so it's all wet. There we go. Put that in there. Okay, got that. So, got a little bit of a mixture going. And then I have a can of jalapeno diced green chilies, but they're mild. I do not like hot food. You can put whatever flavor of green chilies you want in there, but these are mild. And then this is weird, but paste picante sauce, and I get this at the dollar store. And put a little bit of that in there. A little bit of sauce. I'm gonna try to mix this up. Looking good. See what I'm doing? I'm gonna put a little more paste in there, a little bit wetter. Actually, I'll put the whole thing there. Okay. So we got that. And then the biggest thing is you want cheese. So I'm using sharp shredded cheddar cheese. So 1 cup, 2 cup, 3 cup, 3.5. Okay, let's fix this up. Ugh, thick. Okay, come on, next you sucker. Okay, so we've got that. Next thing we're gonna do is get a we got 2 pans going here. We're probably gonna have way more than we need, but we're gonna spray these 2 again with just cooking spray. You don't want to do this, so it's easy to clean up. We got that. And then what I have is, have never heard of this stuff, but it tastes good. Casa Fiesta green enchilada sauce. But watch out when you're looking at enchilada sauce, because some of it is like fire red hot, especially in the green. And they don't like the red canned enchilada sauce. Stay away from that. Just get the green. So I'm putting that in there, and I'm just kind of like Spreading it out there in the middle of the pan. Sorry, that was noisy. So the next thing I want to do is put a little bit of the same stuff on this plate here. And I'm going to start assembly lining this. So I take my tortilla, I put it in the sauce, and then I put some mixture in there. And I'm going to fill these up kind of thick because I've got so much of it. So put that in there. We're just going to keep rolling. You can add a little salt to it, or you could just wait till after it's done, because I used to be a saltaholic, and I'm trying to like not have salt, so I didn't put any salt in it, but it probably needs a little bit of salt. So you can put salt on it when you're done, or when it's cooked, or after you taste it. So just assembly line. Keep it cooking. So on top of this, of course, there's always like chopped avocado or guacamole or sour cream. I personally have to have lettuce on top and more salsa. You can make your own salsa. There's good salsa at the deli department. Oh, here we go. Like homemade, like pico de gallo, that's always good on top of the enchiladas, and then sour cream if you want. And then if you want a side, but generally enchiladas is just plenty if you put toppings on it. But a can of corn's always good, and black beans, if you like black beans. So we're not doing that recipe tonight, but maybe sometime. So we're just keeping it going. So preheat your oven, 375. This is actually takes about half hour is all you would need. Let's hope this comes out even. Okay. I didn't even count how many tortillas we have here. Do you ever have questions, you need to know how many or the exact ingredients? Put something on the comment line down there, but I'm sorry, I kind of just do my own thing until it tastes right. That didn't make any sense whatsoever, but if you have questions, please down on the comment line, post your questions. I'll do the best I can to answer it. Put it that way. Okay, so I think we are doing pretty good here. That's so funny. That's like a little magic fairy that lets you know how much to fix without actually measuring it. I don't know, whatever it is. So I know it looks funny to put enchiladas on the side of the pan, and I've got a lot of them, and they fit. Okay, pretty interesting.
That was a perfect time.
Oh my goodness, I got like a quarter cup of extra stuffing. I'm going to restuff some of these. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna waste this stuff.
Put it on top.
Put it on top?
Why not?
No, look ugly. Okay, so we got that. Wash our hands. This is out of the way. This is out of the way. All this out of the way. So I'm taking some more. So we had 3 cans of this, so here's the last. We're just gonna pour a little bit of that on top. Pour a little bit of top. These are saucy little suckers. So when you bake them, do not cover them. You want them to crispy up, because these are gonna look good. They're Got an awful lot of sauce on them. So bake them, I'm going to tell you like 40 minutes. I get some of that sauce to like evaporate, or the liquid is what I'm trying to say. So I'm putting more of this here. If you want to make it really pretty, you could add black olives. But not on these. Okay. So we're going to bake these for 40 minutes. And we'll be back, and I'll show you how they are. Have a marvelous time in the meantime, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe, please, please, please. So we're going into the oven. It is now 2:31, and I've got my baking stone, so I'm going to put it right on top of that, right in the middle of the oven. And I'm going to check on this about 25 minutes, but probably it'll be out of there about 3 o'clock. So go chop up your lettuce or avocado, whatever you want, for the side. And then in about half hour, it should be ready to go. So anyway, see you in a bit, guys. Howdy doody. So I got it out of the oven. It was 3 o'clock. So here we go. I'm just cutting a little piece off right now because we're actually going to eat this a little later. But look at there. Wow. Looking good. So I've got lettuce, I've got salsa, I've got sour cream, I've cut up some avocados, but okay, I guess I better try this guy out. See how hot it is. I'm kind of curious with the spinach. Hot, hot.
It smells delicious.
This is good. Well, I hope you enjoy. Have a good evening. Please subscribe. Love you. Bye.